Hey Faye, it's Heaven, and I'm going to have a little commentator for this video. My brother doesn't want to be in the video, but he wants to comment on the side. So that's him. Sky, what do you think about this? Does it eat?
It does.
Today I'm gonna show you what's in my bag and, well, my backpack, my mini backpack. And it has fairy wings. Y'all like it? Okay. I looked back at the last time I did a bag video. I love my bags. And I was like, wait, it's time for another bag video because I've been using this backpack lately and I don't think I've ever done a video on this one. I don't know. No matter. Here's an updated what's in my bag video. So I'm excited. So originally I got this backpack off of Amazon, but I know that there are some on Etsy because I don't need to be buying from Amazon like that. Let's start with what's on the bag. On my right strap, so right here, I like to fidget with things a lot. Like, I love little fidget toys. And my friend gave me this little keychain. Look at this. Yeah. I love... Yeah, so I always fidget with this, and like it's usually sitting like right here, so I'll just walk around and then be clicking it in public, you know? And then on the other side, that same friend gave me this like lip balm holder, and well, I guess you could put whatever in here, but so on this I keep my e.l.f. Squeeze Me lip balm in grape, and it has like a nice little tint, but I don't know. I'm glad I tried this one, but I love e.l.f. But I have other staples from e.l.f. other than this one. I just wanted to see what the lip balm would be like. And it's okay. Now we can go inside the bag. Okay. I also think I want to put a little keychain here, but I don't know what. There's more so like practical items in here. And this thing is not very big, okay? This is not very big. So this is like, it's been my on-the-go bag. I realize, I don't know. When I'm out, I don't want to carry a million things, and that's why I like backpacks too, because it like feels better on my shoulders and stuff. It's just, it's better for your back, you know? First, I have this Sunday school 10 Commandments tin. I just thought this was so cute. Once I was finished with it, then I just used this as a little case. And in here is where I keep my earbuds and my fave lippy from e.l.f. This is the Hydrating Core Lip Shine. I just really like this color. Like, this is the only color I've ever tried from the lip shine, and I love it. This is in the shade Ecstatic, and it fits perfectly in this little bag. I love it. This is really handy for me when like I'm just done with wearing my jewelry for the day, and I'll like shove all my little like rings if I'm out, and I just don't, I'm over it. I'll just shove everything in here. I also keep my digicam in here for on the go, because this is really cute for pictures with friends. And like this one that I have is a flip screen, so you can see yourself. And the battery does not last long, so I always have to charge this. It's really old. I've had this since childhood. This was my mom's, and she just was like, yeah, I don't use it. Here you go. It's still lasting and giving good pics. I feel like the only thing is like, if you try to record any videos on this, like after 30 seconds, it'll just shut off. It's not gonna happen. Then I have all my medications. Yay. And then my wallet. This is Big Skinny. I want a cuter wallet, so I think I'm gonna sew like some patches on here or something. But I love that it's so thin. Like, I've had this for years. It's so thin. It's my favorite color. And it has a coin pouch, and then there's lots of little like pockets inside too. And it's one of the bifold wallets because I like it so I could carry around cash. I don't really ever, I think I've tried to use one of those really tiny wallets once, where it's like there's just card holders. It's just a little like slim card holder. Where are you putting your cash then if you get cash? Like, where are you just throwing that in your bag? Like, I don't know. I also keep a little mirror on me. Gotta check myself. This is just a little, my Melody and Kuromi mirror. Oh, and this is nice actually, because if you need to stand it up.
How innovative.
I also keep some hand sanitizer on me. It always comes in handy, even if I always get scared to keep liquids in my bag. Do you be keeping like hand sanitizer on you?
No.
Damn. Yeah, no. I feel like, damn. Sky, you just be like wildin'. You just be out there like risking it all. I feel like. You don't have anything on you when you leave, huh?
Not really. I have my phone and I don't even have a wallet. I have a money clip. I just put everything into like a tiny clip.
That's exactly what I was talking about. Like a, oh, well, I guess if you could hold cash in that.
I
But
put
what
my
about your
cards in there,
coins?
too. Coin pocket.
I feel like, well, I never know if I'm gonna have pockets when I put on clothes, so I guess like that's why. I also keep my loop earplugs in here because I'll be out and if it's too loud or I don't know, I'll get overstimulated, so I just pop these in. I can't. Sometimes I can't when there's like too, because it's kind of weird because I want to hear my surroundings, of course, but sometimes. Did you break it? No. Skylar Lawrence. Oh, you're. Oh, hell no. Oh, is it fine?
Yeah.
Why did you do that? Did you pull it off?
No.
There's no way it just fell. I've been swinging this around. I've been swinging this bag. No. My brother touches it once and it breaks. And it breaks. You're not touching it. You're not touching it. Anyway, I need these right now. You're making me. This is too much. Sometimes I just need to lower one of my senses. I've been carrying around floss with me. I have been carrying around floss with me. This might be TMI, but literally, I never carried around floss with me up until lately because I started going to the dentist because my family, my family doesn't go to the dentist. They don't go to the doctors. And I was like, no, I need to take care of this now. Like, I need to start going. Anyway, I started going. They gave me so many mini packs of floss. It's actually great to carry around a little pack of floss. I hate when, what?
Oh, wait.
Was that like, whistling you? Because I heard that. That's bad. That shit sounds like a whistling pot.
It's my eczema. No, my asthma.
The eczema.
Okay. How am I supposed to get back to floss now? I'm talking about that's my eczema. Asthma. But they gave me so many little packs of floss and I was like, I'm gonna carry this around with me because I need to make sure I'm on top of this. Anyway, I've been going to the dentist like so much now. Yeah, it's actually so nice. And I feel so good taking care of myself. So if you haven't been to the dentist in years because you have a fear of the dentist, that's valid. But babes, it's not that bad. It's really not bad. It's not bad. I also carry around a camera cloth with me because I'm always filming like everything or taking photos. So I just gotta clean the lens real quick. I also have 2 hair ties in here. I didn't even realize I had these in here, but these were definitely from when my hair was in braids. I've been liking to do 2 braids. That's been a little go-to hairstyle if I want to like do something with my hair. I've really been liking the 2 braids. The last thing I have in here is my menstrual underwear. Don't look around like that. You can't handle the truth. I just carry around this just in case, you know, and I love reusable stuff and like eco-friendly items like that also. Menstrual underwear saves you so much money. It's just so much more comfortable. Okay, so that was everything that's in my bag. I know that there wasn't a lot, but that's just what I've been taking with me, and then my phone, of course. So that was it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in a fairy's backpack. Thank you so much for watching, and fly with you later.
Fly with you later, fairies.
That was a good one. Thank you.